Welcome to Strategic Briefings, where we dive into the critical intersections of business, technology, and ethics. Today, we explore the powerful yet complex world of innovation in business, not just to spotlight the wonders it can bring or criticize the challenges it poses, but to understand the ethical dilemmas that often come hand in hand with rapid progress. We'll discuss real-world case studies, examine frameworks to navigate these dilemmas, and hopefully shed light on how businesses can innovate responsibly. To begin, let's talk about the types of ethical challenges that arise when businesses push the boundaries of innovation. First, there's data privacy and cybersecurity, particularly relevant with AI and big data transforming how businesses operate. While AI can unlock unprecedented insights and efficiencies, it also raises privacy concerns, as vast amounts of personal information are often at stake. Then, we have environmental responsibility. Companies face growing pressure to reduce their carbon footprint and adopt sustainable practices. Innovations aimed at convenience and efficiency often come with environmental trade-offs that need thoughtful consideration. Labor ethics is another critical area. As companies expand, complex supply chains sometimes make it difficult to ensure fair labor practices throughout. Innovation at scale can inadvertently impact worker welfare, especially in regions where labor standards are less regulated. As one thought leader once said, every technological innovation holds ethical implications for society as a whole. This perspective highlights why addressing these dilemmas isn't just a choice, it's a responsibility. To better understand these challenges, let's look at a few real-world case studies that reveal how some of the most influential companies have navigated or struggled with ethical questions. Case 1. Facebook and data privacy. Facebook, a giant in social media, has faced criticism over its data handling practices. When allegations surfaced that user data had been shared with third-party companies without consent, it sparked an intense debate. The lesson here is clear. Prioritizing data privacy isn't just about regulatory compliance, it's about building long-term trust with users. Case 2. Tesla and environmental impact. Tesla, a trailblazer in sustainable transportation, has made significant strides in promoting electric vehicles. However, the process of sourcing essential materials like lithium and cobalt presents its own set of environmental and ethical challenges. While Tesla aims to be green, the impact of mining operations reminds us that eco-friendly innovations must also be supported by sustainable practices. Case 3. Apple and labor practices. Apple is one of the most successful tech companies, but its supply chain has been scrutinized over labor practices. Reports of poor working conditions in factories supplying Apple products have raised ethical concerns, prompting the question, how can a company balance rapid innovation with fair treatment of all workers in its ecosystem? So, what are the solutions for businesses that want to innovate responsibly? There are a few frameworks designed to guide ethical decision-making in innovation. The first is corporate social responsibility, or CSR. CSR encourages companies to self-regulate and integrate social and environmental concerns into their business model. By actively engaging in CSR, companies can embed ethical considerations directly into their operations. Another helpful approach is stakeholder theory, which emphasizes the importance of considering the impact on all stakeholders, not just shareholders, but employees, customers, suppliers, and the environment. This holistic view helps companies act responsibly in a larger societal context. And finally, regulatory compliance is essential, but often just the baseline. In fast-evolving industries like tech, businesses often need to set their ethical standards above the minimum requirements to keep pace with new challenges and opportunities. Innovation undoubtedly drives progress, but it's crucial that companies don't lose sight of their broader impact on society. Ethical innovation isn't an obstacle. It's a pathway toward building sustainable and responsible businesses. By adopting frameworks like CSR and stakeholder theory, and by learning from industry examples, companies can find a balanced approach to innovation that respects both profit and purpose. Thank you for tuning in to Strategic Briefings. Join us next time as we explore more fascinating topics where business, technology, and ethics intersect.